last week. Gold on my chain, gold on my wrist.
What's up, Gmail Vlogs? We got Jake back with another video. And we're going to be acting too stupid and funny noises. Okay, let's get right on to it.
Everybody, make some really stupid, funny noises and faces I can make.
Are you kidding me? He started right When's probably gonna say that?
Thank you for watching.
Next.
You know, I'm just kind of bored. I'm sitting here. My girlfriend and my kids are out getting Burger King.
You need Burger
And I
King.
just thought I'd make some stupid noises. You know, just
Close your ears.
see what happens. So, here we go.
Close your ears. The dog's gonna cry. I didn't even know this dog was
Okay. That was
Next
stupid
clip.
noises. Bye.
Oh no, the size of my head.
It's it. He didn't even explain what he's doing. What is that? Why does he have a mind now? He's probably trying to bite like his dog or something. What's it called for that? He's like yawning. It's like a demented pig yawning. Like, what the heck? Can you kill a cat when he does that? Alright guys, the next clip is actually the last clip, and then we'll talk more. Clip. Oh yeah, this is the last, this is the final one. Okay, next clip. Sorry guys, I might have said in that video that there's one more clip. Sorry guys, but this is actually the final thing. Subscribe to him. SGJ. SGJ, subscribe. Move right there, okay? And just subscribe to me. Leave like, turn on notifications. If you guys have not watched any of my videos yet, please watch them. And yeah, peace.
Help me help you.